Hello creators and creative friends, welcome to the channel. Did you know that Z-Image Turbo can also do a character swap as long as you have a character LoRA trained with Z-Image Base or Z-Image Turbo? Today, I will show you a workflow I built for this kind of character swap. For this demo, I will use this LoRA on CivitAI. She is a fictional character with red hair and freckles. This LoRA was trained with Z-Image Base. You can use your own character LoRA in this workflow, whether it was trained with Base or Turbo. And even if you do not use it for character swapping, this workflow can still be very useful. At its core, it is an inpainting workflow with ControlNet. This workflow works even when the body shape in your reference image is very different from your character. The clothes will change, but the background will stay the same. The pose may change a little, but not too much. Also, this is not the final image yet. In the final group, we will refine the face and hands to make the result look better. Alright, if you are interested in this workflow, let me break it down for you. This workflow was built on Running Hub, which is a ComfyUI cloud platform with most models and nodes already installed. If you want to learn more, you can check the link in the video description. The first group is used to generate a prompt for the character swap. I use this model to automatically describe the clothing, pose, background, lighting, and other details in the reference image. I also add a few words to describe the character. Together, this becomes the final prompt. To control the pose, I also generate a pose skeleton image for ControlNet. Then I generate a mask for inpainting. You can adjust the settings in this node to control how much the mask expands. In the next group, I load the Z-Image Turbo model. Here, I also load the character LoRA. You can replace it with your own character LoRA. This is the latest version of the ControlNet model for Z-Image Turbo. For the KSampler, I actually use two different ones. The first one is a regular KSampler. It works well in most cases, but sometimes it may create a few incorrect pixels around the character. You can also choose a different sampler and a scheduler. I introduced my favorite combination in a previous video, and I will put that link in the video description as well. For denoising strength, 0.5 is usually enough, but in this example, the woman in the reference image is much thinner than my character. Since I want to make a bigger change to the body shape, I set the denoising strength to 0.65. The group below uses a KSampler designed for inpainting. Compared with the previous result, you can see that this image does not have those broken pixels around the character. However, the denoising process is much slower than with the regular KSampler. The special setting here is the lamp paint non-steps value. The higher the value, the slower the denoising process becomes. In this case, setting it to 3 is enough, but if your output image still has problems, you can increase this value. This image switch node decides which image will be sent to the final node group. In this case, the second image looks better, so I set the input value to 2. The final group uses 2 FaceDetailer nodes to improve the details of the face and hands. And that is everything for this video. If you want to download this workflow, please join our community and support the channel. Your support really means a lot to me. Thank you for watching and stay tuned.